What's up, guys? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. How we doing? We're back. I just want to do a quick update. A new announcement was posted for this particular program, the #1 interactive digital marketing program, and I just want to update you guys on that. But before we get into that, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go to the link in the description or this link right here on the page, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check it out, see what we got going on. All right, so new announcement, want to get into it, right? So this was posted actually on yesterday, all right? And I must say it makes sense, all right? The schedule is going to be changing, the new live training schedule, okay? They have had that schedule for, what, I guess pretty much a year now. So it's been changed. And I can kind of understand it because I'm reading it here. And it says, we've been paying attention and here's what we've noticed. That too many people, they're showing up for the trainings, right? The mentoring trainings every Monday. And they're taking notes, but they're not taking action. So which means that they're just getting information overload, just like a student, just keep showing up, writing things down, but they're not applying it. So they've decided to make some changes. So it states that you don't need more information. I agree. Giving you new information over and over and over, you're not even applying what you've already been given. So they've decided that they're going to make some changes. So it says here, from here forward, which I see it looks like it's going to be on Monday, starting Monday, our live calls are designed to help you implement, not to just keep learning information overload, right? So you have everything you need inside the program. I totally agree. Now it's about execution. All right, so the training schedule will be changed. I'm going to go over that in a minute with you guys, but I want to talk about this. They're going to be starting a new 90-day run. Okay, we just completed a 30-day run, right? The map momentum. So now there's going to be a 90-day run with daily videos dropping to guide you step by step on how to build a 30K business in 90 days. Of course, we can't guarantee what you're going to make, guys. So disclaimer, no guarantees. This is just the training that you're going to be provided and given step by step. Some people apply it, some won't. Okay. So anyway, a 90-day training is going to be starting here next month. If you plug into this and take action, more than likely you'll see results. Okay, that's what they're stating. So the training will be as follows. And let's go over to this calendar here, right? So we come over to our calendar. So our new announcement is there. So we come over to our calendar starting in September. All right, let's go back. Because remember, I was showing you guys every Monday there's mentoring training. And remember, this stuff is already recorded. So you got tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of a year's plus worth of replays. You can go back and watch and apply that. All right. So see, every Monday it was the mentoring training, right? And you see it was Tech Tuesday. And then we had the Legacy Builders program for the folks that purchased a $900 program. That's called the Legacy Builder program. That was every Tuesday. Now they flipped it. So let's go look at the calendar. Starting Monday, they're going to have the Legacy Builder program on Mondays now. All right. That's only for the folks that have purchased the $900 program. So remember, with the $900 program, you get the interactive training and you get the breakout sessions. So that's very powerful. Okay. And then on Tuesdays, it's going to be the tech training. See? Tuesday tech training, which is going to be awesome. All right. Because if you have any issues with any setups or technical difficulties, every Tuesday you'll be able to get that training. And then what they're going to do on Thursdays is they're going to rotate different topics, such as, example would be like the first Thursday, they're going to have the welcome new customers and systems. The second Thursday, they're going to have QA and audit. So you can come and ask questions, get your questions answered. And then they'll also have mindset training. And then they'll have social media marketing training. So on Thursdays, that will rotate out. As you can see, for September, we got the welcome new customers and systems. And then the next Thursday, it'll be Q&A and audits. Then the next Thursday, looks like it'll be mindset. And then the last Thursday of September will be social media marketing. Okay, so that's how they're going to do it. And then they'll have the different free webinars in here where you can invite folks and let the owner, the founder of the company, explain the program. All right, and then people can get their questions answered on those live webinars. All right, so they're kind of shaking it up just a little bit. But again, this is great, guys. Again, you're still getting training. Okay, you're getting training. And I highly recommend this Legacy Builder. I purchased that program myself. That's this $900 program where you get everything. You get actually 4 programs. That's 4 income streams, 100, 300, 600, and 900. And then you're able to get that training that I just explained, the interactive program, okay, with the breakouts. And so what we're saying here is the mentoring one is no longer starting next month. They're not doing it every Monday. They're going to be doing the Legacy. However, everything, all those mentoring ones have been recorded. See right here, go in the classroom, come down here and click replay. So you have enough information. Okay, that's what they're saying. You got all the information. This goes a whole year back because this program launched March 2024, and they've been doing these mentoring every Monday since then. So you've got all of that. You can go back and replay and listen to it. Going forward, it's going to be for the Legacy Builder. That's the live one every Monday. So again, if you're not there yet, right? If you are, let's say you purchased the $100 program, you can upgrade. Okay, so you can always upgrade at any point in time. So if that's, something you think you can do that now. Just upgrade or just go all in. I mean, I have the Legacy program. All right, you're leaving no money on the table, by the way, and you're getting all the training live. Okay, interactive. This way you can communicate with other teammates, right? Your counterparts live, and do role playing and whatever you need to get out live. Okay, and then those are recorded. Okay, they will be recorded as well. All right, so that's the new update there. Just wanted to update you guys on that. So as you can see, this is one of the pages you're gonna get. It explains the program. We have several pages, but this is one of the main ones, right, that really breaks out everything. So again, the interactive program out of the 4 is the $900 program. That's the one that they're going to be doing on Mondays now. All right, and once you get signed up, you'll go ahead and join the school community from your dashboard. Remember I showed you that? From your Kabaji, the back office, the dashboard, join there, and then you'll get access to this calendar. And you can download this tool on your phone as well. Okay, so that's what I love about it also. Now right now we finished up the 30-day momentum map, and as you can see right here, that's in here also. So you have everything you need to succeed. All right, that's what she's stating. So they're just gonna focus on this $900 program. The folks that are really serious about the opportunity, not curious but serious. But all the other programs, you have what you need though. Absolutely. So that will be changed. So if it sounds like something you're interested in getting started, remember you've got the support here. That's the difference, and that's what I emphasized on my last video. You won't find a program like this. I've been an affiliate marketer, digital marketer since 2012, where the owner, the founder of the company is live, doing daily videos, that's actually out here promoting her program and making it better and better and better and better. Not just a program thrown in a dashboard and you kind of got to fend for yourself. You don't have any support. Okay, not saying you can't succeed with those, but as a newbie, you kind of want that camaraderie. You want that community. You want to be able to know, well, hey, can I get my questions answered if I have a question? Even if you can't reach your sponsor, right? And you want a duplicatable system. Because if you're new, you can't answer questions for your people that sign up with you, right? Because you're new. Here, we have a community. We have the coaching where you can just go into the community and get your questions answered. See right here, the search bar, type your question in here, right? Go to the community, you can type your question here, you will find the answer. If you don't find it there, you just post what it is you're asking and someone will answer you, because this is a global opportunity. There's people in it from all over the world. All right, so someone will answer you. That's what I love about it. That's what got me in it. Okay, I was already a seasoned marketer, if you will. I didn't need the hand holding, but I knew that the people that I would sign up, most of them would be new. So I saw it from that perspective. For the masses, oh, a new person would really love this, because we got the community. They've got a classroom here. They've got a calendar. They've got all the trainings here. They can speak to someone. All the things that a newbie or a non-technical person would need. Not to mention step by step how to set everything up. And if you don't want to do that, they have a done for you, right? They have a done for you option where you can get them to set it up for you. I saw some, speaking of that, some cost of some other programs, guys, is thousands of dollars for what you're getting here. All right, for 100, 300, 600, or 900. And you're getting the mentorship, remember, and the coaching off. It's included. You don't have to pay extra for that. But let's look at this. Hang on one second. Let's go here. This is a great deal, okay? As I stated, I've seen programs where there's digital programs where the affiliates are saying, hey, I'll set everything up for you for $500-600, guys. We have that done for you over here in the digital growth community. Special offer. All right, the latest version, the Legacy 2.0. All right, Michelle S. She is going to help you. Well, she's going to set it up for you. Look, for $197. Okay, a steal. So if you don't want to go in here and follow the step by step, hey, you can actually get them to set it up for you. All right, that's it. That's all. I just wanted to make sure to come back and give you guys an update on that. And remember, if you're ready to get started, we've got 4 programs. We've got the Legacy Builder program. Again, this is what they're going to be doing every Monday going forward, starting this Monday. Yes, on Labor Day. That's right. That's what I'm saying. This program doesn't stop. Okay, doesn't stop. So on the 1st, 12 o'clock, Legacy Builder is the only one that they're going to be doing this live training on. All right, the $900 program. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, it will be $900 for the program itself, and then $39 for your website. You're all in. You have all 4 programs, right? But if you're not quite ready to do the $900, okay, and here they are. Digital Mastery is $600. So it will be $639. These are one-time payments. There's no monthly fees. Your marketing system, your email follow-up series is all included. You don't have to pay any extra. So the $600 will be for the product itself. The $39 is for your website. All right. That's digital mastery. Or you can start at the passive daily pay blueprint. It's $300 for that one. It'll be $39 for your website. So for $339, you're up and running. And you got 2 income streams, guys, with the $300. You'll get the $100 and the $300. The digital mastery, if you start there, you'll get the $100, $300, and $600. 3 income streams. All right. But if you can only just get started today, you can start with $100. $139 will get you the launch pad, and at least you're in. You can start checking out these webinars. You can start looking at these trainings and get your questions answered. Okay, get in where you fit in. But remember, you can't always upgrade at any point in time. All right, but there are the programs there. If you're interested, again, link is in the description, as well as you can go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info to get started either way. All right, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you in the next video. Have a blessed day.